Hi guys, welcome back to this quick Excel tutorials. And today in this tutorial I will show you how to add slicers in your Excel sheets. So before we start, let us understand that what are slicers. Slicers are a new and a very powerful tool to customize and filter your data into a beautiful way. And it's quite easy to add slicers into your Excel sheet. So let's see how it works. First of all, you need a small set of data, like we have in this Excel sheet, a training record of few students. Date of training, name of student, course taken, and the notes. And I want to filter down, to slice down the data as per the courses, that how many students have taken the course 1, course 2 or course 5. So we can add slicers. So before we add slicers, the first thing we need to do is to convert your data into a table. We can do that by clicking anywhere in your data, go to insert and click on table. If your data has tables, you can check this option. If not, then you can uncheck it. Click OK and your data has been converted into a table. And now it will give you an option to insert slicer. So there are the few options where you can apply your slicers. I want to apply slicers on course. And now you can see that I have given 3 options in this slicers. I can customize it. If I click on course 1, it will slice down or filter down the data to all those students who has been taken the course 1. If I select on course 2, course 5. So this way you can apply slicers into your Excel sheets and present them in a beautiful way. And moreover, you can customize your slicers as per your requirement. Like right now I have one column. I want to convert a slicer into 2 or 3 columns, so I can go to this option, add number of columns, and you can see the number of columns has been increased to 3. You can resize it, place it anywhere, and it will be a part of your Excel sheet. You can clear your filters, you can reapply them, course 2, course 5. So this way you can apply slicers into your Excel sheets and present them in a beautiful way. So thank you very much for watching, and don't forget to subscribe, like and share my videos. Thank you very much.